I am Cappy from Open Table MCC.
I'm sure from Mandaluyong.
Sure, from Mandaluyong. Say hi. Ayan. So, as you can see, please twirl all that body. Come up. Hey! Ayan. So, as part of the trans community, ano ang mensahe mo unang-una sa lahat sa yung trans sisters, trans brothers na nanonood sa'yo and nandito ngayon sa Pride March?
To all trans people, I would like to say, be proud to who you are. Stay authentic to yourself. Be vigilant sa pagkatao mo. Don't be shaken. I know this is hard, pero don't be shaken by society's ano yun, labels and standards. They try to box you to whatever. If you're being your authentic self, you have nothing to prove to anyone. Kung saan ka lang comfortable on how to live, that's okay.
Wow, sobrang lalim nun. And di ba, you have nothing to hide and trans people are here and we're not going anywhere.
Yes.
Anything else that you would like to say?
Ayun lang. Stay strong. Mahirap talaga ang buhay. Mas mahirap pa pag nasa laylayan. Mas mahirap pa pag mahirap ka na nga na LGBT ka pa. Madaming gustong umapak sa'yo. Kaya just always stay strong and vigilant.
Hey, and be true to yourself. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us here.
Bye! Thank you for